Hello, kiddos. This is Kum Ba Yah, arranged by Patsy Ford Sims. I want to listen to the beginning so that we can hear our counts before we come in. This is in 3/4, and we have 1, 2, 3 measures of rest plus 2 beats right there. Okay, so feel the three. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Oh Lord, Kumbaya. Rest, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Someone's crying, Lord, Kumbaya. Someone's crying, Lord, Kumbaya. Someone's crying, Lord, Kumbaya. Oh, Lord, Kumbaya. Someone's singing, Lord, Kumbaya. Someone's singing, Lord, Kumbaya. Someone's singing, Lord, Kumbaya. Oh, Lord, Kumbaya. Rest, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Oh Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya. Very good. So don't forget right here, Kumbaya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kumbaya forever and ever. Be sure to practice. Solo and ensembles next Saturday.